Pure Color carpets are full of life from the moment they're created. Like the green that runs through a blade of grass, color infuses our fibers as we make them, instead of resting on top. Mimicking the purity of color as it exists in nature, Pure Color always matches, no matter the dye lot. And we honor that purity in everything that we do by using sustainable manufacturing processes. Our Respect adds up to 30% less energy, 42% less greenhouse emissions, 87% less water, and 0% PFCs. We are proud to be the only leading carpet manufacturer that has never used PFC topicals. And because nature always weathers the storm, we make sure our carpet fibers do the same. They start as pellets, melted into a solution, and extruded into long strands of a single ply fiber. Then we twist them together to increase strength and durability. Once we lock in the twist with heat and tuff the yarn into primary backing, we apply secondary backing, adding in soil protection chemistry so that our carpets repel soils and stains, no matter how much life they weather. Pure Color carpets are made specifically for your home. They won't fade from prolonged sun exposure, stain, or wear and tear. Pure Color carpets bring the world to your doorstep. They're for family, and great ideas, and best friends. So you can let the light in and let life in.